Hi, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Kimberly Bungato Pilipino, at 37 years of age, currently living at Hinablan, Bajan, Cebu City. I have two children, a 3 years old girl and a 9 years old boy. I am 9 years of marriage, my husband working as a security guard. My father is working as a factory driver. My mother is a food vendor. I have two sisters and three brothers. I am graduated high school. I have experience as a domestic helper in Singapore, 2 years finished contract from April 2019 to April 2021. I serve two adults and two children ages 40 and 47 years old and 3 and 9 years old. My main duties and responsibilities for that former employer is to make sure to take good care for the young ones, prepare food, make sure the house neat and clean, doing laundry and marketing as well. If my new employer will hire me, all I can say is I am hardworking, trustworthy, polite, and good manners, and I'm willing to adopt any new things to make sure to give good services for my new employer. Message for my new employer. Hi, hello. Hoping you're doing good today. Please do hire me as your domestic helper. I'm suited for this position such as cooking, cleaning, laundry, and marketing as you required. I promise to finish my 2 years contract and obey your house rules and regulations. Thank you very much and hoping to see you soon. God bless.